his birthplace in Bethlehem, okay, not in Jerusalem. And also it is mentioned that he was buried in his own city. And this make, like a difference between scholars about where he was buried. It was in Jerusalem or his own city, meaning where he was born in Bethlehem. And that's why this is, for sure, it is a maqam. It's not qabr, okay? And it only started during, the 11th, 12th century. This tradition, people started to visit this as maqam al-Nabi Dawood. But we cannot say that he's buried right here. Maybe he's buried in Jerusalem somewhere or in Bethlehem. That's, his own city for sure. Now to go inside, when you go inside, you're going to see all the way inside. Again, like cenotaph, which is covered with, a black cloth that has, Jewish from the Torah verses. And when you go to your right, as I told you, men, you need to have the hat on, women to the left side. Now usually, because it is Saturday, maybe they will not let you to take photos inside, because it is Saturday Shabbat, okay? So we can go. So no photos inside. So men can go from over there, just straight to the left. Ladies from men.